Sheeting machinery advantages of large steel tracked chassis. E. Strong passability, fearless of complex terrain. R. Super strong load-bearing capacity, stable support for heavy responsibilities. 3. Durable and durable, able to withstand the test of time. The wide and heavy steel tracks have a large contact area with the ground, which can effectively disperse weight, even in areas that are difficult for conventional wheeled equipment to enter, such as muddy swamps, rugged mountains, and soft sandy land. They can walk on flat ground as if walking on flat ground.